Hey YouTube, this is Adam Carter here, and just a quick walk around. We're in Pottsboro, Texas, and here we have a Federal Signal 2T22. Yeah. No siren test, just a walk around through. And yep, here's the Federal Signal 2T22. Next time there's a siren test for Pottsboro, we'll get this thing. There's also about my house the same thing too, which I'll probably get that next time. But yeah. And yeah. See, here how the box is to it. And let's take up this. Yeah. Yeah. Here's the solenoids, there's the cones to it. Yep, Federal Signal 2T22. 3T22. It's with the high-low boxes. When the mix is a high-low. I wonder if they got a Thunderbolt in this town. In Pottsboro. There's actually Westboro. They got two Sentries, 15V2Ts, and one Federal Signal HTS-10, and a Wheel and Vortex R4. Test on first two sides at one. But yeah. Yep, there's the cones to it. And the big top hat thing. Yep, that was a tour thing. Next time there's a siren test for Pottsboro, I mean Pottsboro, I'll get the 2G22. Yep, Federal Signal 2G22, Pottsboro, Texas. Alright, so enjoy, thanks for watching this video, and comment below what you think of this. There's another 2G22 over about the bank, since we don't have time to get that one. There's also a 2001 SRN over at the fire station in Pottsboro as well. I wonder how many sirens they got in this town in Pottsboro. I know there's two 2G22s and one 2001 SRN. I wish there was a Thunderbolt in this town, but I don't have it. Anyway, that was the tour, and peace out. Bye, buddy. Bye.